gram into kilograms and gram. Now in this video we will start the question number 2 from your workbook. So let's start it. Question number 2 is convert kilograms and grams into grams. This question 2 is opposite from the question number 1 because in the question number 1 the question was like this, that convert gram into kilogram and gram, means we have done that small into big. Now this is opposite. We have to convert this kilogram grams into gram, means we are going this big into small. So we will do the multiply. So let's start the number 1. The question is 2 kg and 300 gram. 2 kg and 300 gram. So first we will write the formula, which is 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. We are mentioning this formula in this sum and mention this formula with this underline. Again I am repeating, 2 kg and 300 gram is your question and we are writing this formula, means we are mentioning this formula in each and every sum. 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Now I told you that we are going through this kilogram into gram, means we are going through big into small unit. So at that time we will do multiply. Already this basic points I have cleared to you in the lecture also. So what we will do, whichever number is in kg, means which number is given in kilogram, that number only we will convert into gram. Suppose this 2 is given in kg. So how we will do? 2 multiply 1000. 2 multiply 1000. We will mention this in bracket. We will put this gram. We will remove this kg and we will put this gram unit. Plus 300 gram. See, you can observe that this whole number, means this whole step we have written in gram, means in same unit. Now simplify this, means 2 multiply 1000. So directly you are getting the answer, that is 2000 gram. Same unit we are copying. Plus sign and 300, which is already in gram, so remains same. Now unit are same, gram and gram. So directly you can do the addition, means 2000 gram plus 300 gram. So answer will be 2300 gram. This is our answer. See what we have done, totally opposite method than this question 1. 2 kg 300 gram. Here we have written the unit, means formula. Now 2 kg, only 2 kg we will convert into gram. That means this whole step is for this 2 kg. 2 multiply 1000 gram plus 300 gram. 2 multiply 1000, so 2000 gram plus 300 gram, same we are copying. Now gram means same unit are there. So we are directly do the division. Sorry, we are directly do the addition sum. So 2000 plus 300, that is 2300 gram is our answer. Now second number. Your second number sum is 7 kg and 8 gram. 7 kg and 8 gram. Same steps we are following. First we are writing the formula. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. See, make this habit, means make this habit that write this formula in all the sum. Now 7 only given is in kg, means in kilogram. So only we will multiply this 7000 with this. Only we will multiply this 7 with this 1000. Remove this kilogram unit and put gram. Make addition sign. Put this 8 gram. Now see, this same unit we are getting. Now 7 multiplied 1000, that is 7000 gram plus 8 gram, same we are copying. So addition we can do of this 7000 and this 8. See, if you can't do this addition directly, and if you are feeling that your answer is wrong of this addition, so you can do this addition in rough space like this. 7000 plus 8. So you will get answer 7008 gram. This is your main answer. Now last sum we are seeing of this question number 2. Third number sum of your question number 2 is 6 kilogram and 640 gram. This is your question number 3. Now first we are writing this formula. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Mention it with underline. Second step, this 6 kg we are converting into kilogram. So to this 6 kg means we will multiply this 1000 with this 6. Remove this kilogram unit, put gram, plus this 640 gram will remain same. Now 6 multiplied 1000, so directly you can do this multiplication, that is 6000. Put this gram unit plus 640 gram. Now gram and gram means both the number with the same unit, so directly you can do the addition. Means if you won't do directly, so you can do like this, that 6000 plus 640. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 6, 6 and 6 same. So your answer is 6640 gram. This is our answer. Now see, very nicely I have explained to you this all the sums very well. Now see, pay attention. In the question number 1 we have seen the method of division, and in the question number 2 we have seen the method of this multiplication. So don't be confused. Like first understand the question, understand the heading. If it is given big to small, means if we want to convert big unit into small unit, so you need to do the multiplication with this 1000 like we have done. Suppose kilograms and grams we are converting into gram. So for this we have done the multiplication. And suppose first is given gram, means we want to convert the gram unit into kilogram and gram, means small to big. So at that time we will do the division. So step by step, as I have written like this, first formula, after that this multiplication in the bracket. It should be mentioned in the bracket only, so you can identify that this step you have to do. So in this format only you have to write this all sum. Now we will see the number 4 of this question number 2, which is 8 kilogram and 875 gram. So first step we are doing, means first step we are writing the formula, which is 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Mention it with this underline. Now second step we will do like this, that this 8 kg we will convert into gram. So mention this in bracket, 8 multiplied by this 1000 bracket over. Instead of this kilogram, mention gram unit, put addition sign and 875 gram we are copying same. Now 8 multiplied 1000, that is 8000 gram, plus this same 875 we are copying. Now do the addition of this 8000 and 875 gram. So directly you can do that 8875 gram is your answer of this number 4. So I hope that you understand this conversation sums very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.